Hi, I'm Marita, and today I want to share with you one of my favourite quadricep stretches. In a typical yoga practice, we tend to stretch our hamstrings a lot. We do some work with our quads, but we don't tend to do that much to stretch them back out afterwards. And this is particularly important if you're leading up to a back bending sequence in your practice, particularly if you've got bigger, deeper back bends like Urdhva Dhanurasana. You want to make sure as part of your preparation, you've really lengthened the whole anterior chain, the whole front surface of the body. So just one caveat today, if you do have any knee injuries, this one might not be appropriate for you. Obviously, if it doesn't feel good, stop. So you'll just need, for this practice, a bit of wall and either a folded up blanket or a cushion. And I'm going to take my cushion and tuck it right up in against the base of the wall. If you do have any knee concerns, you can position your right knee a little bit further away from the wall. Otherwise, tuck the right knee right up in fairly close to the base of the wall, toes pointing straight up towards the sky. I'll step my left foot forward. And if you're really quite tight through your quads, then from here, just lifting your hands up onto blocks might feel like plenty. Otherwise, slowly start to lift up, getting your hips level-ish, relatively level, and I'm making sure my left knee is stacked above my heel or the heel is even a little further forward than the knee, just to bring that knee into optimal position for safety. And what's really important is that I start to lift my lower belly up here. And I actually like to use my hands to help. I'll place one hand on the lower belly, the other hand on my sacrum. The lower belly I'm drawing in and up, as the hand on my sacrum gently guides my tailbone down and forward. My quads are feeling pretty tight this morning, and this is already a pretty good stretch. But if you did want a slightly deeper stretch, you can start to ease your lower back in a little closer to the wall. Or you could also start to bring your psoas, your hip flexors, into the stretch as well by taking the right arm up, so the same arm as the quads that are being stretched, reach high up into those fingertips and gently begin to stretch across towards the left. So I like to hold this stretch at the wall for maybe a minute or so. And whenever it is time to release, I do that by bringing both hands back down. I take the second leg up and step the first foot forward to switch over. So thanks guys. I hope your quads appreciated that. If you liked it, please hit like. If you'd like to see more videos from me, subscribe, and feel free to add any questions or comments below. Namaste.